Hey everyone, welcome back. So today we'll be diving into a super important topic for anyone handling risk management, cost versus benefit of safeguards. If you are protecting an asset, this is the process you need to understand. So let's go. First things first. Safeguards are security measures that reduce risk. They can reduce the annualized risk of occurrence or ARO, meaning they lower how often a threat happens. But some safeguards go further. They can reduce the exposure factor or how much damage an event can cause. We calculate risk with the formula ALE equal to AV into EF into ARO. The goal is to lower ALE. The lower the ALE, the less potential loss. Simple, right? Now let's get specific. You're calculating two types of ALE, pre-safeguard ALE and post-safeguard ALE. ALE1 is the risk before implementing the safeguard, and ALE2 is the risk of the difference between ALE1 and ALE2, the reduction in risk. The best safeguard will bring ALE down to its lowest. But remember, sometimes zero risk is not realistic. But here's the thing, every safeguard costs money. So you need to calculate the annual cost of safeguard or ACS. This covers everything from purchase price to ongoing maintenance. ACS includes purchase and development cost, implementation and customization, annual operating and maintenance costs, training and productivity losses, and more. Now, let's get to the cost benefit. To determine if a safeguard is worth the investment, use the formula. ALE pre-safeguard minus ALE post-safeguard minus ACS equal to value of safeguard to the organization. If the result is positive, the safeguard is worth it. If it's saving the company's money in the long run. If it's negative, maybe not so much. When multiple safeguards have positive results, pick the one with the largest benefit. It's all about maximizing values for the lowest cost. Remember, it's not all about numbers. Legal responsibilities and due diligence matter too. In some cases, you might choose a safeguard even if it's not the most cost-effective option because of the legal risk and compliance needs. So what's the takeaway? When choosing a safeguard, calculate ALE pre and post safeguards, factor in the annual cost of safeguards, use the cost benefit analysis formula to find the best value. That's the process of evaluating the true value of the safeguards. It's all about protecting your assets without overspending. Stay smart, stay secure. If you've liked the video, please click the like button below and please subscribe for more such videos.